today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable HDR on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer, or modify the settings at least, assuming your hardware supports it. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side, select where it says video playback. And then you want to select underneath related settings versus HDR. And then assuming your hardware supports it, you should see an option underneath display capabilities, and it should tell you whether it's supported or not right here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.